We'll guide you through how to sync an iPhone to a MacBook. There is a Pro or Air, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then your different things like messages, reminders, photos, they can be synced between them. So if you go and make a change on one of your iPhone or MacBook, then it's going to be applied on each of them, which is really convenient. And that's the great thing about the Apple ecosystem. So let's go and get started with this. Come onto the iPhone and you want to go and open up the settings. You do need to go and use the same Apple ID account on both. I'll guide you through how you can check that. On the settings at the top, go and tap on your name. Then go down, you can press iCloud. So iCloud, we can sync it, press save to iCloud like so. And then what you need to do is go down here and switch on what you want to go and have syncing. So for example, I want to go and sync my reminders. So I could go and switch that on like so, and you get the idea. Turn on what you want to go and sync, turn it all on if you wish. Then come onto the MacBook and you need to go and open up the settings in the dock. Go and check the Apple ID account's the same. You can click it in the top, then press iCloud. Then you can go and press see all. And what you then need to do is go and switch on what you want to go and sync. So as I went and switched to reminders on my iPhone, I can go and switch it on here as well. I can go and turn off photos on my iPhone as well and turn it on here and it'll be going to be synced across. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more useful guides just like this. And we've got a lot more on the channel you can check out as well.